Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Danreael's. On this channel, we talk about natural hair growth, length retention, and DIY hair recipes. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out this $10 flat iron that I got from the hair store, and we're going to see if it's a hit or a miss. So I use this Shea Moisture shampoo. It's the Manuka honey and yogurt shampoo, and it doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, or any other harsh chemicals, and I love Shea Moisture. And I also use this mask. It is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, and it also has keratin in it, so I'm believing that is going to help us get our hair more straight. So I love it. This mask is really good. I'm going to be using this Fructis Garnier Heat Protector and some of this Chi Silk Infusion Serum. This is the actual flat iron that I got from the hair store. It's a mini flat iron. It was only $9.99, and it goes to 410. Like, that's the only setting, and it's also a ceramic flat iron. So this is what we're going to be using today. And in today's video, I'm just going to straighten my hair. I'm going to show the process. I normally don't straighten my hair very much, but I'm going to straighten it because I'm going to give myself a trim. And these are some of the tools that I'm using. I'm using a couple of brushes, a wide tooth comb, and a fine comb, and also a blow dryer. And this is what my hair looks like. It was actually in some braids for my protective style, and I'm going to wash it and do my mask like I showed you guys. But this is what my hair is looking like right now. So if you guys didn't know, I actually have high porosity hair, and my strands are very fine, so my hair breaks very easily. And also right now I have bleached hair, so I've been trying to really maintain the ends of my hair so that I can like retain the length and keep the bleach on there. And it's been working out pretty cool because I've been doing my protective styles, and that is really the key to length retention for me, is protective styling my hair, and specifically like braids under a wig. I normally don't do like box braids and like heavy pulling styles because my hair just can't take it. It's so fine. But yeah, that's how I've been getting my hair to grow. So now I have the mask on my hair. As you guys know, this is the Black Castor Oil mask. It's a really good mask, and this is how my hair looks like after I washed and did the mask. It came out very hydrated. The keratin in that mask made my hair feel really sleek and smooth, and I think it did a really good job on hydrating my curls. This was actually my first time using that specific mask, and I will give it a 8.5 out of 10. I really liked it. So that mask did my hair justice. It feels really good. I'm actually about to go in with this leave-in just a tad bit because I really don't want a lot of product on my hair while I straighten it, because my hair is so sensitive. Like, if it has any type of product in it, it'll get back curly. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of leave-in for moisture because I have high porosity hair and my hair needs a little bit of moisture all the time. Oh yeah. And both of the sides of my hair are different. Like, one side is more strong, the other side is more not. Now we're gonna blow dry. So after I apply my heat protector, I'm basically just going to smooth it into my hair really good because I really don't want to get heat damage. I normally don't get heat damage, and this is the heat protector that I always use. And since I don't get heat damage when I use this one, this is the only one I'll be using. I'm pretty sure it's more good heat protectors out there, but this is the one I use, and it's only like $3. So yeah, now I'm gonna section my hair off, and we're gonna detangle my hair really gently. This is one of the keys to not getting breakage and losing your length, is when you detangle your hair, just go slow and do it really carefully, because the ends of the hair is the oldest part of the hair, and if you're so rough with it, you're gonna break it, and your hair will never seem like it's getting any longer. And that is one thing I learned on my natural hair journey, was that you got to be careful when you're detangling. And this brush is really amazing. It has like these little things that open up when you comb it, and it just glides right through. So I would recommend getting this brush. You can find this type of brush at the hair store. It's a detangling brush, and when my store opens up, I will have some of these on my website, so you guys can buy them from me as well. But yeah, that brush, I love it. It combs through so good, and it doesn't break your hair off a lot. And when I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna put the blow dryer on low, and we're just gonna blow dry in a downward type of motion to like get the hair as smooth as possible. And I really wish I had a comb attachment for this blow dryer, but I don't. That would be even better. But yeah, I put it on low, and my hair takes a while to dry, but it really doesn't. So I'm just gonna dry all these sections, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done drying them. Now that this section is dry, I'm gonna apply this cheese serum to it, and I'm just gonna work it all the way in. This is really supposed to make your hair sleek and, you know, bouncy. This combination of products really do not work for my hair type. So if you have a good combination of products for high porosity hair that you use when you straighten your hair, comment them below, because I really want to know. But yeah, I'm just gonna work this through my hair and make sure I get it all over it. And then after that, I'm gonna twist these sections up, because my hair has a tendency to revert whenever. It don't even have to have water. So I'm gonna do that to all these sections, and we're gonna get them all twisted up just like that. And now we are ready to straighten our hair, trying out the mini flat iron. And this is what the sections look like. I got them pretty dry, and when I go in with the flat iron, I'm only gonna do one pass. And this flat iron, it goes to 410, so that's the only setting. Like, you just turn it on. It doesn't have a dial to where you can turn it to that. So I'm gonna do 410, and I'm actually gonna use a brush to do the chase method, because a brush works better than a rat tail comb for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over it one time for each strand. And these are my results. My hair did not get really straight at all. It's really a fail. So I'm gonna try to straighten my hair in a couple months again, and I'm gonna use a different set of products and a different flat iron. I actually have a titanium flat iron, but I didn't want to use that one. I wanted to use the actual ceramic one, so that's why I got this one. And this flat iron worked for like straightening, but not like straightening, if you know what I mean. Like, if you just need a flat iron, I would recommend it, and it was only $9.99. So if you just need like a little flat iron for your edges or for your leave out, I would recommend it. But like for something like a silk press, definitely not. But as you can see, this is what my hair looks like with one pass on 410 with the ceramic mini flat iron. It's very much still puffy. It's not like bone straight. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in all over my head, and you guys are gonna see the results at the end. And tell me in the comments if you think it was a hit or a miss, what you think. I definitely think it was a miss. So I will be straightening my hair again soon. I'll make sure I'll record it and show you guys. And I also did a trim. I didn't do it on this video, but I did trim my ends. But for my hair to have been bleached since maybe October, you know, my ends are holding up really well. I'm taking really good care of the bleach on my hair, because usually bleach has a tendency to break off, but my bleach has actually been maintaining, and my ends don't look bad at all, honestly. But that's because they've been tucked away in braids under my wigs. So yeah, these are what my ends are looking like. You can see some split ends, but it's really not as bad as it could be, because usually bleached hair, it just goes crazy after a while. So yeah, I'm really trying to maintain the bleach on my hair and keep it growing, you guys. My store will be open very soon. It's an online store. It's called Danreaels.com, and I will be selling some natural hair care products. I'll be selling some oils, a hair butter, and some more products that you guys can purchase directly from me. And of course, my products are going to be all natural, with all natural ingredients, really healthy and really easy to apply and use. So make sure you guys go check out Danreaels really soon. And these are the results. I love you guys. God bless y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.